Hey guys, it's your girl Vaughn. So today we have a bit of a different video. I think you guys might know by now that I do like to do things myself. I don't know if you may or may not have noticed that in most of my videos I do have my nails done for the most part, and I do them myself. I do have a lot of normal nail polishes and I have recently gotten into doing gel nails. But today I'm stepping up the game a bit, and today is going to be my first time trying Builder gel. So I bought these locally from a store called Premier Salon Supplies, I think. Me a secret Builder gels, one in the color Cover Nude and the other in Clear. Then I also got the gel paint in Black Sugar. So this is what you can use to do like the different stripe art and like spider art that I've seen. And well, this is a Builder gel, so it is a gel, but it can be used to provide like structure and form to your nail, like an alternative to polygel or acrylic. You're gonna see me trying this out for the first time. I had on some gel nails before, and so I took those off and did my cleanup, and my nails are pretty much prepped. So I think I'm gonna start on my thumb. I mean, there's not much of a shine, but I'm just gonna lightly buff. If you know anything about gel nails or even acrylics, you know you have to have that bit of a rough surface for the extension to stick to, so that should be fine. I'm gonna go in with some acetone to take away anything else. This is the kit that I've used from before, the model ones, so I'm just gonna use their base coat, add a nice layer of that. Cap my edge. And then I have my light hair, just gonna cure that for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with the Nude first. This is my main color. So what I'm hoping to achieve with using this Builder gel is the kind of thick acrylic look. You know that look, that kind of apexy look that you would get with extensions, acrylic, etc. That's what I'm hoping to achieve, and I know that I can do that. I could form my own apex using this, so let's see. How this goes. This is a pretty color. I like this color. This is nice. So as you can see, the gel polish is very sticky, as well as this is, of all the like hybrid gels or like the gels that you can extend. Wait, I'm not making any sense. Hold on. Ooh. So as you can see, I already have a bit of a thickness going on. Also because this gel, even though it is thicker than a normal gel, it is still a bit runny. But I think this looks nice, and also a trick that you can do to get that apex is hang upside down. I'm also tilting it so that the gel could, oh, this looks horrible. So that the gel could move a bit to where I want my apex. Oh, actually, I think that looks kind of cool. Yo, this is, oh, you can't even see it. This is an experiment. But I'm just gonna cure this. With that one layer, I feel like I've achieved the bit of the curve here. Like there is more shape to my nail. You can see how flat this nail, my right thumb, is compared to my left. Yeah, so I think this is nice. You could see my natural nail color up top here. Don't really want that, so let's go in again. A trick that I learned from Nail Career Education, or Susie, she said that when you're working on yourself, have your nail facing you and point it a bit downwards, so that instead of the gel flooding your cuticles, it will flow downwards. So you'll get a better, look and finish. but I feel like could add some more in my cuticle area, so I'm gonna do that. And as you can see, I'm kind of like moving it in circular motions. A lot of the videos that I watched, that's what they did. So I'm just doing that, making sure that I get the gel all down to the sides. Right, I have a bubble there. Is that a bubble? Okay, so I'm already in love with how this is looking. It really is giving me that kind of like acrylic vibe. You can see there's the thickness of the thumb compared to this. I am in love with how this looks. Like, look at my nails, guys. I could leave it like this if I wanted, because I mean, I guess I can, but I'm gonna go in with the clear just because. Wow, look at how thick that is. Ugh. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done this. Some air bubbles in here. Not into that. Get out my nail. Again, this is how we are looking, and like I said, I'm pretty much satisfied with the shape that I have right now. As you can see, yeah, it's not really like lumpy at all, but I want the full experience. So I mean, I'm kind of scared because I don't know if this thing is fully cured. Well, it's sticky. Let's see if I rub it, if it will come off. Guys, it's fully cured. Ooh, child, I've got extensions on mine. So as you would have seen, I mean, I'm using my natural nail. That's the type of vibe I'm on. I've only had acrylics done like twice in my life and refilled once. So yeah. All right, so the sticky layer is gone. So now, like I said, I want the full experience. I'm just gonna go in lightly. Like, I don't need to do this at all. My cuticles look fine. The sides look kind of fine. But I'm gonna do it anyway. And I'm going to... How do they do this? I'm scared. Don't think I've ever buffed a nail before. Guys, I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is hilarious. I'm pretty satisfied with the shape of it this way. So like, you know, there's nothing much. You guys, this is the first time I'm doing it. Okay, maybe a little bit on the side here. Get that nice round. But right now I'm wasting time. Okay, so I think that's good. Again, I'm still satisfied with how this is looking. So I'm gonna clean this again. So now I'm gonna go in with the Model 1's top coat and just seal in my design and add for a beautiful shine. If you know where that is from, comment down below and let me know. This is a real runny top coat. I see some people with some real thick top coats, but with this Model 1's top coat, it's really best you just go in with a thin layer, because then it's gonna be flooding your cuticles and then you'll get the heat spike. Like, that's not cute. Just clean up my cuticle here. And now I'm gonna cure this And that top coat is a non-wipe top coat, so that feels weird. I've never seen it do that before. Why is it sticky? Je suis confused. Maybe it didn't cure all the way. So confused. I don't know. But this is my nails so far. I'll probably troubleshoot that afterwards. Ooh, look at the difference. Look at the thickness. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my nails. I do plan on putting a pattern here. So I'm gonna do these two and come back for the pattern so you guys could see me do that. Time now, so you guys might hear the extra noise in the background. So I went ahead and I did my other hand in the cover nude. So now it's time for me to do the nail art that I want to do. So I went ahead and I did the base coat and one layer of the cover nude on these two nails. The shape is kind of off, but that's okay. I'm just gonna put this here because I feel like I need to be a little bit closer. So I was inspired by a picture on Instagram, but I really can't find it anymore. So I'm gonna be using these three colors as just like color block things, and then I'm gonna try to use this. Don't mind this. This is a cut that's healing. Okie dokes. So it's tiny, and I think most of the videos I see, they say to mix it up. Should I even try? I don't think I should have done that, just because I feel like the brush is way too, like, I don't want all that product. I'm gonna use this brush that I have and just take off some of that. And I'm gonna just do that. So I'm gonna flash cure this. So that's like a 15 seconds. Okay, so I clean my brush and now I'm just gonna go in with the blue. This is kind of cute though. Oh my gosh, it's giving me gender reveal vibes. Oh geez, that was not that was not the plan. Let's flash cure. So that's what we're working with, real random. And well, I've never tried this thing before. Okay, so I really want like thin lines, but we'll see how this goes. Ew. Ew. I mean, I guess I could do dots. Oh, this is fun. Okay, I could do dots. Alright, let's do some dots on this side. Oh, that's cute, just like that. Ew. Okay, let's try this again. It's not doing the string thing. Let me see, maybe if I mix it up more, if it would do what I want it to do. Let's try again. Okay, it's not doing what I thought it would be doing, so I'm just gonna do a few more random things and then I will cure this again. silver foil that I feel I want to use, so I'm just going to place it real randomly. This is pretty. Oh, this is cute. I love this. Now I'm gonna go back in with the clear so it looks like it's kind of like encapsulating this. Hopefully that's what I'm going for. Ah. Ooh, this is ooh, hold on guys. You guys, look at how pretty this is. Oh, I'm in love with this. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these two, and I'm gonna be back for the final show. Okie dokes guys, so I finished my nails. I added my cuticle oil, and look at these beauties. I'm absolutely in love. It turned out really nice. I mean, the shape on some of them are a little bit off. My right hand looks different to my left hand, of course, because my right hand has turned into my short hand today. But all in all, I am pretty satisfied. I mean, I'm giving you guys looks from every angle. Yep, I am pretty satisfied with my job today. First time using builder gel, and I am even more excited on how the nail art turned out. It's so pretty, so simple yet so pretty. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, I know it's a little bit of a different video for my channel. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to continue doing nail videos. I'm not a nail artist, I'm not a professional. I just really like doing my nails. Let me know down below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Not necessarily like this one. But you could go ahead and have a look-see at a few of my other videos. I'll probably link it like here, so you could go check that out. Subscribe to my channel right here. Yep, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.